Government Law College Viluppuram, functioning under its administrative department of Directorate of Legal Studies, affiliated to the Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, is dynamic in promoting access to justice by imparting quality legal education with value-boundedness and public spirit in the students under the guidance of Principal Professor Dr. N. Kayalvizhi. Madam has initiated innovative steps to educate the law students not only in academics but also in organizing many educational programs in colleges like seminars, roundtable consultation programs, medical camps, encourages students to participate in various moot court competitions and other competitions. It gives us immense pleasure to create the documentary film on history and achievement of police for the society. The term police has been derived from the Latin word politia. The term broadly refers to purposeful maintenance of public order and protection of persons and property from the hazards of public accidents and the commission of unlawful acts. India is multicultural, multi-ethnic and a vast country. It is the second most populated country of the world. Maintaining law and order in world's largest democratic country is a difficult task. The police personnel provides security of the people and enforcement of laws of the country. It determines the manner in which democratic decisions are implemented in the country. In view of the growing violence, social conflicts and serious threats of terrorist activities, the role of police is becoming even more important. The assurance of the equality and dignity to the weaker sections of the society is also dependent upon the performance of the police. Clearly, police has a crucial role in the existence and development of India. The year 1907 could be regarded as the starting point of the Indian police system. Inspector General was the highest rank in the Indian Imperial Police. There was one Inspector General for each province. For administrative purposes, India is divided into 5 zones. Later in modern India, the police system was constructed under Article 312 of the Constitution of India. The article reads as follows. The services known as the commencement of this constitution as the Indian Administrative Service and the Indian Police Service shall be deemed to be services created by Parliament under this article. Tamil Nadu is the southernmost state of India. It is the 11th largest state of India in terms of area. The language spoken here is Tamil and most people in the urban areas would be able to understand English. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai, formerly known as Madras. Tamil Nadu is divided into 37 districts. It also has one of the longest coastal lines in India and is very closely situated to Sri Lanka. The ancient, literary-rich classical Tamil is the official language in Tamil Nadu, and people here attach a lot of respect and regard to Tamil as their cultural identities. People in Tamil Nadu have great taste for arts and culture. Carnatic music, Bharatanatyam dance form, folk music and rural dance form are fun to watch and treat to eyes and ears. They are colorful, vibrant, energetic with inspirational thoughts and are about social issues. If there is one thing that Tamil Nadu is famous for all over the world, it is glorious and ancient temples. The great living Chola temples such as the Brihadishwara temple or the rock-cut Pallava temples at Mahabalipuram are listed as World Heritage Sites and draw a great number of visitors internationally. However, these aren't the only ones in Tamil Nadu, and the entire state is strewn with great examples of ancient Tamil architecture that go as far as 2 millennia. Apart from the temples, the state is also home to several historical forts and other modern architectural marvels from its medieval heritage and colonial history. Tamil Nadu Police Department is the primary law enforcement agency of the state of Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu Police is the 5th largest state force police in India with over 87,900 personnel and covering an area of 130,059 square kilometers. For administrative purposes, the state has been divided into 4 police zones: North, South, West and Central, each headed by an Inspector General of Police. In a recent report published by the Tata Trust, Tamil Nadu Police secured first place in the overall ranking of police forces across the country by scoring a 6.49 out of 10. The Perikulam Police Station in Theni has been ranked number 8 in the All India Police Station Ranking Survey for 2018 undertaken by the Ministry of Home Affairs, which has ranked 87 stations across the country. This station also topped the rankings among police stations in the state. The ranking was released on June 24, 2019. Mailam Police Station in Viluppuram was ranked 47, while the Rajapalayam South Police Station in Virudhunagar was ranked 50. This survey was based on the measurement of the activities of the police station with respect to proactive crime prevention, detection, speed of disposal of cases, back-end work, action taken against antisocial elements, and community policing. Tamil Nadu was also ranked the first place when it comes to diversity factor. Representation of OBCs, SCs, and STs in the force, prisons, judiciary, and legal aid, which the survey calls the 4 pillars of justice delivery. The state has also secured the 3rd place after Maharashtra and Kerala in the overall composite ranking. Tamil Nadu also secured 3rd place among large and mid-sized states in rural police station coverage. A women police wing was constituted in Tamil Nadu in the year 1973 with the primary objective to assist policemen in law and order. In continuation with it, in the year 1992, the all-women police station was inaugurated in Chennai. In the year 1997, the women police entered in Tamil Nadu Special Police. This strength was more than a battalion's strength. The Director General of Police Office sends a proposal to government to modify Tamil Nadu Special Police 5th Battalion from men to women. This battalion was converted as the first women Tamil Nadu Special Police Battalion. It was inaugurated by former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Selvi J. Jayalalitha, on 30th January 2004. In the year 2005, there were 2039 women police newly recruited and trained in various temporary police recruit schools. Operation Cocoon was the operation launched by the Special Task Force of Tamil Nadu Police to nab the forest brigand Veerappan and his associates, who were dominant in Satyamangalam forest in South Indian states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. He was wanted for killing approximately 184 people, about half of whom were police officers, including senior police and forest officials. The Joint Special Task Force STF operation of Veerappan, constituted in 1991 by the state governments of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, is considered as one of the most expensive in Indian history, consuming 1 billion rupees over the years. The operation came to an end by scarifying a lot by the state of Tamil Nadu in the year 2004. The Kavalan SOS application was launched by Tamil Nadu Police in June 2018. Through this, the people of the state can seek police assistance instantly in emergency situations such as physical emergencies, eve teasing, kidnapping or natural disasters such as floods, earthquakes, etc. Tamil Nadu Police has the largest strength of women police personnel and women police stations in the country. The first women police battalion of Special Police and Commando Force, the first established fingerprint lab, the first integrated modern control room in the country, and also has the greatest number of computers among police department in the country. The National Crime Records Bureau has rated Chennai as the safest city for women among the metropolitan cities. Among major cities, Coimbatore has been identified as the safest city for women and children. Moreover, the Tamil Nadu Police Department has made several sacrifices to protect the people of the state during this COVID-19 pandemic. The department has also conducted many awareness programs. Tamil Nadu Police Department has also used drones to monitor the movement of people during the lockdown put in place to curb a surge in the number of COVID-19 positive cases. Tamil Nadu Police has taken several steps to make people aware about the seriousness of this pandemic. Your undying spirit, determination and courage to keep our city safe is fantastic. By putting our safety before anything else, you guys are the pillars that are keeping us strong. Let us all salute the police on this occasion.